Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to disable automatic updates of your Firefox browser on your Windows PC. So for this guys, follow my easy and simple method. So first of all, open your Firefox browser. After opening, on the top right side you can see three lines, just click on it. From here you want to open the options, and in the option from the left panel you want to select journal option and scroll down. You can get one option, and here allow Firefox to. In this section you want to select second option, check updates, but let you choose to install them. That you want to select this option. So with this help of method guys, you can easily disable auto updates of your Firefox browser. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very useful video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.